Unit 3 here. Just spotted a suspect heading west side towards the intersection. Suspect's driving a yellow modified Volkswagen, going way over the speed limit.
Copy that. Do you need backup, Unit 3?
No, I think I can handle this on.
I hope you guys liked the intro. If you did, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. And for the new people watching, you must hit that subscribe button. And also, don't worry, the cars links will be in the description below, so go check them out. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, guys. Don't worry, the unboxing part and the info part will be coming up in the next video. So stay tuned for that and see you all then. DCS out. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.